Speed up at least a little. I don't know, there's a red light up there, but yeah, come on. What the? Straight from the left turn lane. What an asshole. What are you... Are you gonna... What are you... Come on. Figure out where you're going. Wait, what? Why are you going over there? That's gonna be the most Toyota thing in the history of Toyota. Now she's starting to move back over. Yeah, put your keys away. You're too old to drive. Wait, that's the wrong sign. This is Route 15. Dive for the right turn lane. Dive for the right turn lane. Diving for the right turn lane. Everyone wants to turn down Westfall for some reason. Oh, yeah. Get your smelly socks inside the car. Come on. Hello? Hello? Really? Watch for cars. Yeah, that was back up a shame when you were over the line with the red light. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Used to be before gentrification, before the inevitable moving of the higher best. I would imagine those were like they were in the United States.
No, behind me.
The desirable areas. They were just sort of just hanging on.
Nope. And you're from Jersey. You should have experience driving through fucked up interchanges like this one.
Say no. And then Patrice
You can make
Colin,
it.
And then Colin got upset. And it was like, what the fuck?
Alright, public service announcement. The state of New York loves to lie about the bridge heights. It says 12.9, but no, you can fit underneath this bridge. They lie about all the bridge heights. I don't know why they do it. I've seen trucks taller than that clear it. You should be fine.
Or I go hunting or whatever the hell you
Just
do.
have your hobby.
Yes.
And be able to live.
Like that's the out of everything that I've seen.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run.
It was probably around 20 pounds or so.
Okay.
I did not weigh it, but I'm just estimating that.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. One thing I have to say about this red light run song is that even if it's questionable, I still have to sing it. And it gets grating to sing it over and over and over again, just to end up only having to use like half of them. I'm beginning to hate it.
Oh, that was on my notes as to ask about the fact that this summer you did this.
Left turn regret from Florida.
Definitely didn't.
Get out of the oh my gosh.
Strata of P that I was talking about, that actually does have a little bit more of a focus on purifying.
That was a dual turn fail.
And this is one of the things.
Like this, and so these Republicans in those states are saying
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Red light run, red light run, red, 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 red light run. That intersection doesn't work like that. Whoa!
I think Mark Meadows is going to try to push this to federal court. It's not going to work. He's going to get, the case is going to get sent back to state court. He's going to look and say, you know what? Fuck this. I'm not going to jail. I think at least a handful of these, because at the
Yeah,
end
I'm
of the
going
day,
to count that Honda Pilot as a exit dive because he went from eastbound.
Because what does it matter?
Oh, whoa. Jeez, they almost hit up there. Really? Exit dive.
Weird guy walking. I'm like, great. I'm that weird guy walking. But I had some good interactions with people that would pull over and like ask me what I was doing.
They were all very interested, but for the most part, it was just if so boring that.
Does not move over.
So craving is really a widely type.
Big, huge truck. Is it going to stop? Of course not. Because no one ever stops there. It's like I can predict it all the frickin' time. Over the line! Why are you so far out in the middle of the thing? You're way over the line. I don't know.
Thing that swims through our brain and catches us unaware.
So Anna,
No stop. No stop. Yeah, you almost like kind of rear-end the guy. It looks like. We're never ever gonna stop at that stop sign ever.
Which is a discrete and separate part of the reward pathway. Then we would end up with Parkinson's.
What state is
disease,
that?
which is a movement
Oh, that's Ohio.
So dopamine.
And it's a dive for the left turn lane.
And,
Close the door. What we don't love them hoes here. So innocent this. Face up, hose down. Why you motherfuckers bounce to this? That was a nice cutoff. Watch for motorcycles.
Which is a wonderful, not incredibly thick book, very accessible translation of what scholars.
Red light run, red light run, red, 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 red light run.
Creating addiction to certain types of substances and behaviors. Dopamine
Wait,
is
wait,
considered the
what
final
are you
common
doing?
pathway for all reinforcing substances and behaviors, all at once in this dedicated part of the brain called the reward pathway.
What? Okay, reward pathway.
Red light run,
Yeah.
red light run, red, 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 red light run. Dive for the right turn lane. Really? No, Nissan's in the left lane. No, 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 I cannot be here. What the hell am I doing here? Even though this is upstate New York, technically Nissans are allowed, but really they're not allowed because all Nissan drivers are dumb. No, 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 you cannot be here. Oh, well, what the hell am I gonna do now? Maybe I should move to the right. Yeah, let's move to the right. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. This is the 100th episode of the Upstate New York drivers, and they fun. Well, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!